Salam everyone. Today we are making sheer kurma. Let's make it together. 60 almonds, 60 pistachios. Soak them in hot water. Drain the water after 2 hours. Peel the almonds and pistachios. Chop them finely. We need 60 golden raisins. We need ground 1/4 cup cashews and 1/4 cup desiccated coconut. Grind them to a fine paste with 1/4 cup milk. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a heavy bottom pan. Fry 6 cardamom, open parts, and raisins, chopped almonds and pistachios until golden. Transfer to a plate. Heat 3 tablespoons of ghee and add 150 gram broken thin vermicelli. Fry on low-medium heat until golden. Add 3 liters of whole milk or half and half milk. Add cashews and coconut paste. Add fried almonds, pistachios and raisins. Reserve some nuts for garnish. Boil it on medium heat. Stir and cook till the vermicelli is cooked. You should keep stirring every few minutes to prevent the milk from burning. It took about 15 minutes. Add 1 can condensed milk, 1 cup heavy whipping cream, 1 teaspoon rose water and cook until boiling. Sheer kurma gets really thick as it cools. If it thickens, keep extra milk on hand to thin it down to your desired consistency. Garnish with nuts. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 6 days. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Ma salama.